I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Peregrine Heavenly Bakes. Peregrine Heavenly Bakes are known for home-baked goods made for a cause, baked by an angel and delivered to our homes. What we have here are their dark chocolate chip cookies and their chocolate crinkles. You can have these chocolate crinkles in a box of 6 for 130 pesos or a box of 12 for 250 pesos. Kanang Pasko na gyud kaya, I really don't know what with chocolate crinkles, basta makakita ko niya, I've got a feeling nga Christmas na gyud. And you can have this dark chocolate chip cookie in a box of 6 for 180 pesos and a box of 12 for 350 pesos. Then again, I would just like to highlight the container, kay this is the second or the third time makadawat ko og delivery of foods nga mo ang sudlanan, in which I really appreciate it. Kadaghan na kay tag microwavable or plastic sa to ang balay. This one is compostable, so pwede pa nato tamnan sa ato ang mga plants and mo decompose siya. Here you can also put more infos about your goodies. So naangan we make baked goods fresh and in small batches to make it is really fresh. Og ani ana, let's try dayon the chocolate chip cookie. Excited kay ko because if you have noticed, nagmelt pa jud ang chocolate. Kana galing mura siya o kana galing cookie nga daghang chocolate. I mean, chocolate siya nga gibutangan na lang og cookie. And the chocolate crinkles. That's it. Yee! Oh, ganang ko sa chocolate crinkles is a little bit juicy, kanang dili siya gahi or dili siya kanang brittle gali. So mas ganahan ko perfect yun ni siya for a coffee. And of course, another ta sa chocolate chip cookie. Why not? But then again guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts. And let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!